Your vision for your business gets you thinking in terms of expansion, growth, and the future. It involves picturing in your mind's eye various details about the business, its size, and the money it makes. When you get your thoughts set on a vision for your business and then go back to review your vision time after time, you get your mind exercised in terms of forthcoming expansion and profit. To take the time to think through the future of your business, what it should entail, and how much money it should make requires you to work through thinking about the future in a big way. Just as exercising your body creates health and stamina, exercising your mind by working through your business's vision creates a stronger business mindset for you, the entrepreneur or rainmaker. When defining your vision for your work and your life, start with a big picture vision. Rather than getting involved in the details, think first in generalities. Once you've defined the high-level vision, then you can work on defining the details. Here are some questions to ponder to get you started. What do you enjoy doing? In what areas would you say you excel? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What's even possible? What do you believe you are here to accomplish on this earth? What is your business here to accomplish? Here are some other questions to think about. What do you want your business to achieve in the next 3 years? Now consider areas such as sales, customers, changes in products and services, expansion, employees, strategic relationships, and net profit. Since there's a personal aspect to everything you do, ask yourself, what do you personally want to achieve in the next 3 years? Now consider where you want to live, how you want to spend your time, marriage, other relationships, your stress level, your children, your free time, academic pursuits, professional pursuits, your emotional life, spiritual life, etc. What products or services does your business provide to customers today? How might what you offer be combined with other products or services that might add profit to the business? Are there other businesses that you could partner with in order to increase sales? Before you owned your business or before you were the rainmaker for the business you work for, describe how you were encouraged to develop or discouraged from developing your leadership skills in previous careers and jobs. How would you describe your leadership of your business so far? Write out your thoughts about the following. List the skills that are your best top skills. How are you currently using those best top skills in which you excel? How would you like to use the skills in which you excel into the future? As you consider what's possible, how might you put it into practice? Are you currently doing what you believe you are here to accomplish? If not, what can you do to change that? Is your business currently doing what you believe it exists to accomplish? If not, what can you do to change that? And a few more areas to consider. Is there anyone, either currently or in your past, who discouraged you from being successful? Write in a journal how they discouraged you and how that affected your beliefs about yourself and about success. Is there anyone else who encouraged you to be successful and to do so while reaching your own goals and dreams? In what ways did they do that? What has gotten in your way of increasing your profit? What has gotten in your way of decreasing your stress? What might you do to keep all of that from getting in your way in the future? Now, if you achieve catapulting your business to new heights of profit, what will that mean for your business and your life? Get more information from my website, borgesonconsulting.com, where you can find out about strategies for business growth, individual and group coaching, books, and other resources to help take your business and your leadership to new levels of growth. Links are also in the video's description box below the video. You can tap one of the images on the right side of your screen to watch another video on business growth strategies.